Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. So let's talk about a breakout stock that we have been observing for a while now, and it's Pinnacle West Capital Corporation. So let's see how the technicals look like and what could be our near-term targets. Okay. So currently we are on the weekly chart, okay, and we can see that this stock has been trending, in the downward channel for a while after a reversal which had come up in when the stock had reached at 60-61 levels, right? And after that it has been able to sustain its price action pretty well. Recently we have also seen that the RSI actually turned positive, right? It turned to the levels of 60 and above. It just crossed, as we can see, it just crossed 60 level, currently sitting at 60.97. So 60 level usually is a very strong indication that the stock is now trying to move forward, right? To move up. Now we are trying to catch this stock little early, and here we can also see a very good case of inverse head and shoulders. And some people might also say that this particular area between 17 and 80, the shape is also, it's like a cup and handle kind of a shape. That is also kind of a pattern that usually is talked about. But apart from that, what we also see that here there is a kind of a breakout which has happened with a fairly good amount of volume, and volume should come in when as soon as everybody starts noticing this. But we have already seen a breakout happening, crossing this level of 80 dollars. In the next session, if we see the momentum keep moving upward, this will be a stock definitely for a very good buy, because the upside potential is high. Okay, we can see that after a lot of retest, the weekly 200 EMA, which was at 76.88, the stock was able to break out successfully from, after multiple retests which were happening from last year, April 2022, right? If you see, there has been multiple times it has tried to surpass the weekly EMA 200, and finally it was able to do it in the month of November 2022. And after that it made a higher low here, right? And similar you can see in the RSI as well, and tried to now also come out of this trend line that it was maintaining earlier. Okay, so this tends our biasness little bit towards bullish direction. Again, there are no certainties, we just talk about possibilities and probabilities, right? So we always have to be careful with the reversal that might come in, how the overall market behaves. We need to be very careful with that. So with that, having said that, we need to be having our stop losses as well. So having said that, let's move to the daily time frame and see how the stock looks. We can see there was a rejection which has come up at level of high of 81.63. This level, again, this whole level that we see in the past was kind of in some sense it was kind of a resistance. So it looks like at this resistance level it has got rejected currently, based on the last session. So let me just quickly mark this. Yeah, 81.27, and this 80 point, yeah, $80 somewhere. So between 80 to 82, the stock has some old resistance and it has to take it out. We can also see this as a kind of a retest happening after this immediate volume peak that we have seen in the green candle. We see there has been a good rejection which has come out in the last session. Even the price tried to move pretty high, right? It did reach 81.63 level, and right at from that level it tried to reject a little bit. So this can be seen as a retest. Let's move to an hourly time frame and see what it looks like. So we see there has been a green candle formed just at the last hour of the session. So maybe the bulls are coming back to push the price higher. I would suggest to keep this in the watch list and keep observing the momentum. As soon as the momentum in the next Monday session, if we see moving upward, it will be a good entry point for us, for a quick gain on this particular stock. So we always favor when the stock moves, it forms a particular pattern and then has a good consolidation, which we have seen happening here, right? Which happened from the time December 2022 till now. So it is a good consolidation, and now it's giving has given a kind of a breakout. So keep it under in your watch list, and let's see how the stock behaves in the coming sessions. But this is a very good candidate of breakout. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. For more updates like this, do subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, and we hope to keep receiving your support. Thank you guys. Bye bye for now.